In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch YouTube while using another tab in Brave desktop browser. The first method is to use the YouTube mini player icon. First, go to YouTube and find the video you want to watch. Start playing the video and next, look for the mini player icon at the lower right corner of the video and click on it. Now, the video should be shifted to the lower right corner of your screen. To restore it to its original form, simply click the expand icon. The second method is to use the picture-in-picture option. PIP feature in Brave offers extra video flexibility. This allows the YouTube video to keep playing even if you minimize your browser. And here's how you can use it. Go to YouTube and find the video you want to watch. Right-click on the video and then right-click a second time to bring up the contacts menu. From the menu, select Picture-in-Picture. Now the video will be docked to a corner. You can move it around the screen to resize it or expand it back to its original side and position. You can also play several videos rather than add them to the Watch Later group. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.